check his. And if all else fail, I just hope that this one Bentley doors blow smoke through the roof. Everything got a cost. They gon' need something on you.
ATL, West Side, that's the only home I know. In 85, me and Uncle Quint used to ride round in the big Bronco. Took me up a Char Disco.
Mr. Coffee, the building. High as hell right now. My guns possess talents, knock you ballerinas off balance. Backflip you off the atlas like we backflipped on a mattress. Be my guest and testify that southern lyricists which consists a little bit of Cali and an NYC twist. Smoke spliffs get bent like Project Chicks. No morals about shit but chips, whips, and dicks. Inside these clips are slugs with names and script. And them whoever who wanna pop off and flip. Watch your step cause this a trip. My gun's about to rip. First shot goes to the block that pop more than a lot. Get two to the jungle spots for holding the block. Shoved a couple of haters that played us for paper, so whether or not he gets knocked. Got 5 shots for the cops while I'm at it. Kill society that made us into players and walk away nameless, no longer famous. So blame us and rate us, the rawest rap entertainers that ever stepped foot on stages. Sidewalkers sell cages, our lyrics and rages. Fuck mainstream, we street famous. So blame us and rate us, the rawest rap entertainers. Catch it. Check it. Yo, go ahead and mock me. My style is not a mockery. I win battles like lottery, a million odds against me. A talented MC right freely like America. A lyrical terror, a whack rapper's murderer. Shit you never heard, bruh. My shit sickening. Then I get spiritual. Got my thugs out here getting uplifting. Coke shifting, weed twisting, getting missing when ripping. Henny bottle gripping when I'm chilling, bitch. I got the clipping. The world's my reference, a lot of game is given. I tell a lot about these women, about their way they used to living, but it's steady spinning. Niggas hating with weak minds. Then my outline and my rhymes I then define. Them is snake backstabbers, gun rapper gangsters with mouth but no heart. Bitch niggas turn dancers. I don't stress on that. I know in fact that's whack. Gay cause it walks like, talks like, and quack. All y'all I say is duck, but I still wish you luck. Cause once I'm on you realize just how much you niggas suck. I'm like candy. You need me after sipping brandy. A lot of y'all jocking me cause I might come in handy. I'm just making the point while I'm blowing this joint. The money looking funny, dog, and I can do what they don't. If it's killing, I'm willing. If it's busting, I'm squeezing. If the ambulance is coming cause he over the bleeding. I said I should have been on the cypher, man.